Okay, today we will see how we could install Kickidler DLP in one-click installation. So here we prepared installation file and now we run it. Okay, our installation is started. And we should install it on a PC with a server path. So we confirm our license agreement, and now installation is in progress. So it is installing now SQL Server. And all other components. Okay, now it is creating a database and installing server path of application. As it is a one-click installation, it is a demo version for one user only, and all components are installed on the same PC. Okay, server path is installed, and normally we should have access to settings. Here we see confirmation of installed server component. So here we have access to both online and both offline component. And also we'll check whether we have access to global settings. Okay, we have access. And we could configure some settings for users. But before do that, we need to install client path, and it is located in file on desktop. It is created by application, and we just need to run it. So we need to check which IP address has this PC. So we type it and check connectivity to server component. Test is successful, and the client path is successfully installed. And we will see notification about that. So we enter Toolbox Online, and also we have notification that we are under surveillance now. So one click